We all know how important it is to keep your club within the proper swing plane, but over 60% of golfers lose their posture and can't keep their club on plane due to a weak upper core. Your upper core is made up of the muscles of your upper back and your shoulders, and their job is to create a solid connection between your arms and your body. A weak upper core can easily be seen in a golfer who sets up over the golf ball at address with rounded shoulders. This is known as C posture. The result is a compromised backswing, finish, or possibly both. The amount of rotation needed to complete a backswing is limited by the lack of flexibility in the upper spine and tightness in the shoulders. To make up for this lack of rotation in the backswing, you'll compensate by relying on your hands to bring the club back on plane during your downswing. You might lift your arms, break your elbows, or stand up out of your stance, and then throw your arms and club at the ball in the downswing. Relying on your arms and club will throw off your timing, rob you of power, and result in an inconsistent and weak swing. These restrictions in your upper body will also limit your ability to follow through, which will decrease your accuracy, add unwanted strokes, and ultimately lead to a higher score. Over time, you'll develop pain in your neck, shoulders, or lower back, depending on how you compensate.
If you want to improve your ball striking, suffer from rounded shoulders, or experience discomfort during or after play, schedule your free assessment with me today to see exactly how Axius will improve your game and your life.